My name is Vlad and I'm a freelance software engineer, and I also started my own startup this year. I think I like headless CMS more because I can develop the components in whatever language and framework I want, and then have like a nice UX for my manager to go in and optimize the content for the web. I think it was specifically with WordPress. I don't know if it generalizes to all of them, but in WordPress I had to do some quick changes and SEO optimizations, which I debugged for like 2 days, and then noticed that it was a fault of a plugin that uses some other component, and it was just a nightmare trying to fix it. We basically would have to re-implement like the whole thing ourselves, and yeah, with the headless CMS, I really liked that I could just do quick fixes in frameworks and languages that I'm already familiar with. I don't have to like work around a whole ecosystem of plugins that I have to study in order to solve the problem. The only example I have is that we wanted to have like a fancy background on the website, which uses shaders, and I wouldn't know for the love of God how to do it in WordPress or anything. I'd probably have to search for stuff online, but because it's based on the usual web technologies, I could just import a library that you can use with any other framework, and it just worked. I think it's just a dumb thing, like a very custom button. I was experimenting with some design aspect that is flat but also tactile, which is like a weird combination to do. I know the modern trend is to be more flat design, but I wanted the users to feel that it's a button. So I designed a custom button, which is, if you like hover over it, it presses down a little bit, you can really press it, but it still looks like a flat design. And it was cool to develop that component and be able to integrate it, and my partner can just drag and drop it on the website, and yeah, it looks good.